In this video clip, I'll be talking about places to use a power sweeper. Another great use is cleaning off projects that you're working on. Here we have a trailer that we've needed to sand on. Now if we take compressed air and just blow off our project, there is potential that there's moisture in the compressed air lines, which will cause our project to rust. Using a power sweeper is a great alternative because there's no moisture that's going to be blown onto our project. And lastly, another great use for the power sweeper is to blow off any equipment that we have. This will get any of the dirt and debris off of our equipment. Now this again is a good alternative to compressed air because there's less chance that moisture is going to be blown onto our equipment.